Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the new and improved version of Sonic from the movie. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this newer version of Sonic from the movie, and yeah, this one's a lot cuter than the previous version that they came up with. So we're gonna start out with his eyes, and it's gonna be a lot bigger. So I'm just gonna draw in two slants like this first. It's kind of like a mean brow. And then from here, I'm gonna draw in the eyeballs. I'm gonna come down. And on this side, just come down too. And once you have these two lines, or two curves, just round everything off on the bottom. Okay, so come down slightly in the middle. And then on the outside, bigger bracket right around here. And then now just round it off. It's kind of a tricky curve to draw. Alright, so that's gonna be the shape of his eye, and then to finish off the kind of brow area, from the corner, just gonna curve up. And then on the back here, just curve it back down. Okay, and then now for the inside. So I'm gonna start right around here, just one big U shape. So start in the middle. So nice and big. And then to shade it in, I'm gonna add in just two little oval in here first. That's gonna be my highlight. And then just let me shade it in real quick. Yeah, so this version is definitely a lot cuter. The other one was kind of a little bit too realistic, right? Looks a little bit creepy. So this one actually looks more like Sonic. Okay, so those are his eyes, and then for his nose, just come right in the middle right here. And then from there, I'm gonna draw in the bottom portion of his face. Just come out right here. Just draw like a little bracket coming down. And then once you have that bracket, just curve all the way around. So this is gonna be the bottom of his face. Just one big curve. Okay, and then for his mouth here, I'm gonna give him some expression. So I'm gonna start right here, right underneath the nose. Curve all the way across. And then on the corner here, just one little curve. Okay, and then in here, I'm just gonna add a little zigzag line here. It's gonna be a different color from top to bottom. Okay, and then to finish off the rest of the head, so from this point here, I'm gonna go up. Okay, so it's just one little curve right around the eyes. And then now for his ear, just slant it out first. And then come back in, just round it out, come back in. And then for the inside of the ear, I'm gonna draw one line like this, closer to this side, go up, and just draw a little triangle. Right here, just follow this curve on the outside, go up, turn it into a triangle. Okay, and then now let's see, for the top here, right from the ear, just draw like a little peak, a little bit sharper on the top. And then we're gonna continue with this. Okay, so just come all the way across, behind the ear. Let's go all the way down, one big curve. And then for this one, just go into the face, so just curve it up. Okay, so there's gonna be more strands on the back here, but we can't draw that until we draw in the body. Alright, and then to finish this off, I'm just gonna add one line in the center. Just to give it a little bit more of an expression. Okay, so now let's come down for the body here. So here's his shoulder. His arm's gonna be coming out from here. In the center here, it's got this patch. So I'm just gonna draw in like almost like a little egg shape right underneath. Okay, and then I'm gonna come down from here. This is gonna be his armpit. So I'm gonna go around this little patch here. So this is gonna be his hip, his waist. Okay, and then now we can draw in his arm. So here's the armpit. From the outside, I'm gonna come down right around here. From the armpit, come down. It's gonna be very skinny. Just close that off first. Okay, and let's draw on the other side first. So same thing, just use the other side for reference. We'll close that off. Okay, and then for his glove, I'm just gonna extend this line here, just round everything out. It's got a very big glove here on the bottom. Okay, and then for his thumb right here, one little hook. Here's the back of the fist, just come out, just curve it right into the thumb. Okay, so right here, one big hook. Back of the fist, just curve it, hook it up. Alright, it looks like I made this one a little bit bigger, but that's okay. Alright, so let's keep going. Now we can finish off the little, I guess, the hair strand on the back. So I'm gonna start right here. Just gonna curve in to the body, but behind the arm. Okay, so just one big curve. Alright, so that's the upper body, and now for his legs. His legs are pretty simple. So here's the hip. I'm gonna come down the middle. Just gonna draw a short little line here first. And then from this line, I'm just gonna round it out and just kind of go down. Okay, and then on this side, here's his hip coming down. Just follow this curve, make it a little bit wider on the bottom, and close it off. Come down, just flare out. Okay, and then let's see, extend this line, bracket, just come down. So it's pretty much like a just slightly rounded rectangle. And we can add in some line here. Makes it look a little bit softer. All right, and then for a shoe, start it inside first. I'm gonna come down. And then on this side, from this corner, curve out. And then just close it off. So I'm gonna come down. Corner, just curve out, and then same thing here, just close it off. Okay, so now let's add in some detail to his shoe. So I'm just gonna come across here and add one little hump right here. Just come across, just one little hump. Okay, and then from here, from the corner, curve, there's gonna be a white stripe right here. So I'm gonna curve up and then come across here and just curve all the way out. So right here, curve, come over, same curve, just go all the way out. Alright, so that is it for this cuter version of Sonic. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.